Good morning, babies. Hope you all are doing good. So, babies, today we are doing EVS. What are we doing? We are doing EVS. And in EVS, today we'll talk about sense organs. We'll talk about sense organs. So, what are sense organs? Eyes, nose, tongue, skin, and ear. How do they help us? So, why they are important? So, sense organs help us to know that what are the things happening around us. They help us to know the things around us. How? So, let's do it now. Are you ready? Come then. Okay. So, babies, we are doing sense organs. So what are those five sense organs? We have got five sense organs. What are they? Eyes. Eyes. And what do we do with our eyes? What do we do with our eyes? Tell me, what do we do with our eyes? We can see from our eyes. Now, what is this? What is this? This is a soft toy. This is a soft toy. But how do I know this is a soft toy? And which color dress it is wearing? Is wearing blue and red color dress. The boy is red and his dress is blue. Okay, so how I am knowing it? How do I know that its dress is blue and its beak is yellow and this is a toy? How do I know? I know this because I can see it. I can see this. So my eyes help us to sense what is the thing I can see. What are the things is in front of me. Okay. Now see. What is this? This is a bottle. So how do I know this is a bottle? Because I can see. I can see this. That's why I know that this is the bottle. Okay. Now tell me. The second sense organ is nose. Second sense organ is a nose. Is our nose. So how do it help us? It helps us in smelling the things. It helps us in smelling the things. Okay. See. This is a mango. I can see this is a mango and it is of yellow color. Now I'll let me smell it. How does it smell? It is giving us a very, very sweet smell. So how do I know it? By smelling it. By smelling it. So nose help us to smell the things. Nose help us to smell the things. Now, what is this? This is a soap. Let me smell it. It is giving us a very fresh smell. So by smelling, I came to know that it is giving us a very, very good smell. And I can see through my eyes, I can see that this is of a white color soap. This is a white color soap. So first sense organ is our eyes, then nose. Okay. Babies, now see. See. What is this? How can you see this? By your eyes. Now what is this? This is a lemon. And how does it taste? Let me see. Let me check. So I will taste it with my tongue. This is my tongue and let me check it. This is very sour. Very sour. So how do I know this? This is very sour? By tasting it. My tongue is helping me to taste this lemon. Okay. So tongue tastes the things and we come to know that this is sour or sweet. Yes. Okay. Now tell me. Can you hear the sound? Can you hear the sound of my bells ringing? That my bell is ringing? Can you hear the sound? Yes. How do we know that the bell is ringing? By hearing it. By hearing it. And how do we hear the sound? By our ears. By our ears. Ears. Okay. So we hear the sound with our ears and we taste the things with our tongue. With our tongue. Yes. So what are the four sense organs we have done? Eyes, nose, tongue, ears. Now what is left? What is left? Touch it. Touch. What is this? This is the skin. Touch it. This is our skin. Now pinch it. Pinch it. Oh, it is hurting. Oh, it is hurting. So how do we know that something is hurting us? By the touch. By the touch. Okay. So this is our skin. So now what is the first one? What are the five sense organs? The fifth one is skin. The fifth one is skin. Okay. Now babies, from your book. Okay. Now tell me, these are two bottles. One is plastic bottle and one is a hard bottle of steel. It is of a steel bottle. So how do I know? By touching it. Because the steel bottle is hard. So this touch is letting me know that the bottle is hard. And this bottle is soft. So I could know that it is a soft bottle, that I can sense it with my skin. Okay, the feel. Alright. Now from your book, The Little Explorer, book A, you are going to open page number 12. Page number 12. Okay, now let's read the instruction. The ears, sense organs. The ears, eyes, nose, skin and tongue are called sense organs. Yeah, sense organs. First sense organ is ear. So, I hear with my ear. Can you listen the sound? Yes. Twitchy. Bird is chopping, so we can hear it by our ear. Tongue. So we can taste if the burger is nice or not. If the ice cream is sweet or not. Apple is sour or sweet. Yes, so we come to know by tasting all these things. So tongue help us. Okay. Now eyes. So we can see with our eyes. So we came to know that this is a toy. This is my bangle. By my eyes. Eye help us to see the things. Nose. By nose we can smell the things. We can smell all flowers, fruits. We can smell it with nose. And then skin help us to feel the things. I feel with my skin. I smell with my nose. I see with my eyes. I taste with my tongue. I hear with my ears. Okay. Now these are the five sense organs. These are the five sense organs. Okay. Now babies, open page number 14. Page number 14. This is your page number 14. Okay. Now read. Look at the pictures and tick the sense organs. If nose is a sense organ, yes, because we smell with our nose. Hands, no. Ears, yes, we can hear with the ears. So tick this. Ankle, no. Elbow, no. Arms, no. Eyes, yes, we can see with our eyes. Tongue, yes, we can taste with our tongue. Skin, yes, we can feel with our skin. Okay, now babies, you are please practice writing this. Eyes, read and write the words. Eyes, see. Skin, feel. Ears, hear. Now nose, smell. Tongue, taste. Babies, you know how to join the letters? Yes? So, you know the small cursive letters, how to write small cursive letters, and now you have started writing the joint letters also, learning the letters also. So, try to write them down. Okay, we can practice it. Alright? So you can do it like this. E Y E S, eyes. C, skin. Okay, feel. You know how to write small cursive letters. Ears, join them here. Okay, nose, smell. Okay, tongue is a big word. You can take your help, the help of your mama. Okay, so write it slowly, slowly. T O N G U E, tongue, taste. So this way you are going to do this page. Okay, babies. And so babies, now see, come on page number 16. This is page number 16. Okay. So uses of hands and legs. We'll come to know uses of hands and legs. Hands. So with the help of hands we can write. You can write. And you can hold the thing the way I am holding the pencil. And you can pick the things like this. Legs. Legs helps you to climb up, run, kick the ball and walking. And okay, look at the picture. Draw a line to match each action to the correct part of the body. Okay. So babies, this thing we'll do in our next class. This will do in our next class. Alright. So babies, this is all for today. Have a nice day.